Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to make Jimmy John's sandwich. So right here we are in food.com and Jimmy John's number 8 Billy Club. So this is the copycat version from the favorite sub of the franchise, of course. So let's see what the ingredients are. So the directions right here is slicing the roll, put mustard on one side and mayo on the other layer and cheese and then some meat on each side. Then pile on the lettuce on the sliced tomato, onions, and thinly sliced cucumber sprouts, vinegar, and oil, and then oreganos are optional, of course. So here are your ingredients. So you can choose your units right here if you want US or not. So let's just switch up right here. So we have 56 grams of roast beef and 56 grams of ham. So you have two provolone cheese slices and 30 ml mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 lettuce, 4 sliced tomatoes, and 1 hoagie roll or approximately 9 inches long. So this is what Jimmy John's uses on their own version of the French bread, not quite a baguette, and because that's too hard. So basically, those are just the directions, and it would end up looking like this, and you'll be able to recreate your favorite Jimmy John's sandwich. So there you go.